Hello everyone! Para sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin yung formula para malaman natin yung distance between a point and a line. Given our point here, point P, na merong coordinates na x sub 1 at y sub 1. Tapos meron naman tayong linya na nandito with the general equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Yung isosolve natin na distance na d, ito yung pinakamaikling distance mula dito sa point natin tsaka yung line. Kasi pwede tayong magkaroon ng iba't ibang distansya mula sa point at yung line. For example, this distance, tsaka yung mas malayo na eto. Para malaman nga natin na yung d natin, yung pinakamaikling distansya, dapat yung line segment between this point tsaka yung tinatamaan niya dito sa line ay perpendicular. Ibig sabihin, makakabuo sila ng right angle. With that said, pag-usapan na natin yung ating formula. Here, our distance d, the shortest distance or the perpendicular distance is equal to yung absolute value ng a, x sub 1 plus by sub 1 plus c. Yung values ng a, nung b, at nung c ay galing dito sa general equation ng ating line. Kaya yung form nito ay ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. At yung x sub 1 tsaka yung y sub 1, ito yung x and y coordinates nung ating point. And this is all over the square root of a squared plus b squared. Again, yung a natin tsaka yung b ay galing dun sa general equation ng ating line. Now, let us apply this dito sa ating unang example. We have to find the distance between the point 10, 14 and the line 8x minus 6y plus 16 is equal to 0. Ang point natin ay 10, 14. Yung 10, yung x-coordinate ng ating point, kaya ito yung ating x sub 1. Yung 14, yung y-coordinate, kaya ito yung y sub 1. So, we have our x sub 1 is equal to 10. Tapos, yung y sub 1 naman natin, that is equal to 14. Then, ito naman yung general equation ng ating line. The form of the general equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Kung mapansin natin yung given natin, it is already in the general equation. Ang a natin is 8, ang b natin is negative 6, ang c naman natin is 16. Kaya pwede na natin siyang isulat, ang a natin is 8, ang b naman natin is negative 6, tapos ang c natin ay positive 16. I-plug in na lang natin yung mga values na to sa ating formula. The distance between a point and a line is equal to yung absolute value ni a times x sub 1 plus yung b natin times y sub 1 plus c. And then, this is all over the square root nung ating a squared plus b squared. Tapos, ilagay na natin yung ating given values. The absolute value of ang a natin is 8. Tapos, ang x sub 1 naman ay 10. And then, plus ang b naman natin ay negative 6, ang y sub 1 ay 14. Then plus, ang c naman natin ay 16. Close, this is all over the square root of, ang a natin again is 8, so this is 8 squared, plus, ang b naman natin ay negative 6, so negative 6 squared. Extend natin ating square root, then performing our operations, this is equal to, ang absolute value ng 8 times 10 is 80 plus negative 6 times 14 ay negative 84 plus 16. This is all over the square root of ang 8 squared ay 64 tapos ang 6 squared ay 36. Then tuloy lang natin the absolute value of 80 plus negative 84 yun ay negative 4. Negative 4 plus 16 kaya ito ay 12. And then over the square root of 64 plus 36, that is 100. This is equal to the absolute value ng 12, dahil positive na siya, ay 12 pa rin. And then over the square root of 100 is just 10. Lastly, yung 12 at 10 ay divisible by 2. So our distance is 12 divided by 2 is 6. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So we have our distance of 6 over 5 units. This is the shortest or the perpendicular distance between our point and the line. Madali lang naman gamitin yung formula, kailangan lang nating i-identify yung given natin, yung point, tsaka yung general equation ng ating line. Now let us proceed with our second example. Again, we have to find the distance between our point, negative 4, 6, saka yung equation ng line na 3x plus 4y is equal to negative 10. Meron tayong point saka yung isang line. Yung point natin ay negative 4, 6, kaya eto yung ating x sub 1, si negative 4, tapos si 6 naman ang ating y sub 1. Pero kung mapansin natin, yung equation ng line natin is not on its general equation. Kasi ang general equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Para siya ay maging general equation, si negative 10, kailangan natin siyang ilipat dito sa kabilang side ng ating equation. So with that, our equation is 3x plus 4y is equal to negative 10. Kapag nilipat natin si negative 10, 3x plus 4y, tapos si negative 10 ay magiging positive 10, and then yung right side is already 0. We have our a na 3, ang b natin ay 4, ang c naman natin ay positive 10. With that, let us write our given values. Ang x sub 1 natin ay negative 4, ang y sub 1 naman natin ay positive 6. Ang a natin, that is just equal to 3, ang b natin is equal to 4, tapos ang c is equal to positive 10. Ngayon, gamitin na natin ang mga given values na to sa ating formula. The distance between a point and a line is equal to, same, the absolute value of a, x sub 1, plus b, y sub 1, plus c, close, this is all over the square root of a squared plus b squared. This is equal to, ilagay na lang natin itong given values natin dito sa ating formula. So this is equal to the absolute value of a is positive 3, and then ang x sub 1 natin is negative 4. So this is plus, ang b natin is positive 4, tapos ang y sub 1 is positive 6, plus ang c naman natin ay 10. This is all over the square root of, ang a natin is 3, so this is 3 squared, plus ang b naman natin ay 4, kaya this is 4 squared. This is equal to, performing yung operation sa ating numerator, this is the absolute value of 3 times negative 4, this is negative 12, and then plus, 4 times 6 is 24, plus 10, this is all over the square root of 3 squared is just 9, tapos ang 4 squared ay 16. This is equal to negative 12 plus 24, that is positive 12 plus 10, that is 22. And then over the square root of 9 plus 16 ay 25 lang. This is equal to, absolute value ng 22 is 22, tapos square root of 25 is 5. So we have our distance. The shortest or the perpendicular distance between our point and line is 22 over 5 units. And this is our final answer. This is how we apply the formula for the distance of a point and a line.